Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. We are going to be doing a little bit of a different video today. We're going to be addressing like the flu. I know the coronavirus is freaking everybody out, as it's freaking me out. So I'm going to start making a few videos here and there, showing you guys recipes that help fight off the flu, with your help with your hair, skin, nails, looking great, and just overall health. And these are basic recipes that anybody can do. Today's recipe is going to be a Kabocha squash coconut soup. I know that sounds really complex. I'm telling you guys, it's the easiest, most flavorful, most like delicious soup ever. I'm gonna put a picture right here what a Kabocha squash looks like, because most people don't know the difference from one squash to the other. I'm gonna read to you really quick what Kabocha squash says.
Kabocha squash is an excellent source of beta carotene, owning its own bright orange flesh. It's super bright, as you're going to see in the video, which can be converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is important for healthy white blood cells, good immunity, and vibrant eyes, skin, and hair. Kombucha is also a good source of iron, vitamin C, which we all know vitamin C helps fight off flus, and some vitamin Bs. So yeah, that's like amazing. Let me read the next ingredient. It says, for cantaloupes, the fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and choline in cantaloupes also support healthy heart health. That's huge. Consuming foods rich in potassium can help decrease blood pressure. Woo woo! 1 cup of cantaloupe provides 473 milligrams of potassium and 10% of a person's recommended daily intake. I also know that it helps with men with colon cancer and other cancers. And it is packed and loaded with vitamin C. So this is a superfood that a lot of people are not aware of. So let's go ahead and stop the rambling. I'm gonna jump on over to that video. You guys tell me at the end of the video, what did you think? I hope if you are having a bad season or you are sick, that eating these foods can help boost your immune system. Please remember that a lot of your immune system lies within your gut. And if you actually are one of those people that take probiotics every day, that actually can help boost your immune system, because you're having a healthy gut, you're having a healthy immune system. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's go ahead and just jump on over to these recipes that I'm making.
Let's go over here and show you what I got. So I have a bunch of pumpkin squash. You guys can see I chopped it up into random pieces. I try to get the outside green off of it as much as possible and just cut out these big, large chunks. I took about 6 pieces of those chunks. You guys can see how big they are, about 6 pieces. And I'm going to take 2 cans of coconut milk. Now, when I look at my coconut milk, I want to make sure that it's just the cleanest ingredients possible. So it's coconut extract, coconut water, and 1 preservative. 2 preservatives, because it has the citric acid. That's pretty much it. I'm going to pour it in here and we're going to blend. So for you guys that don't know what coconut milk looks like, this is what it looks like. It's really, really creamy on top. We're going to go ahead and pour this into the blender, and we're going to scrape off that top and any extra in there because we want that cream. Okay, you guys can see it in the blender right here. And just so you know, this is a dash blender. It's a very, very strong. I'm going to go ahead and blend it up, so you might want to turn down your volume. Okay, you can see that the color of the coconut milk now has turned to this beautiful yellow. And all we're going to do is we're going to pour it right on top of here. And then we're going to put this on a low simmer and see how long it takes to cook. And I will show you guys what it looks like after. Oh, before I forget, we're going to add a dash of salt. So you guys can see how much salt I'm putting on. So it's not too much. And just a pinch of pepper. That is all the seasoning it needs. So you can see that 2 cans of coconut milk blended was enough to cover all of the squash, and that is what you need. If you have more squash than I do, you do need to put as much liquid into the pan to at least cover the squash, so it will cook down and it will be nice and soupy. And before you guys ask what was cooking in the back, those are soybeans. They are edamames. You guys can see I just take this, I pour it in some salt water and boil them down. suckers are full of protein and taste delicious. So we have this on medium heat. Medium heat. I'm gonna actually put it on low heat. You see it simmering. I'm gonna simmer for about 10 minutes and then check it. Hey guys, so it's been exactly 10 minutes. I haven't touched it. You guys can see how foamy it gets on top like that. Very creamy. So let's go ahead and stir it up and see if it is ready. And the way that you check if it's ready, so you get one of these big pieces, right? And then you push it on the side, and if it splits in half easily, it is completely ready. So you guys can see it's not splitting in half easily, so it still needs about, I'm gonna say 10 more minutes, maybe even 8. Let's see here. Nope, still a little bit tough. So I'm gonna do 10 more minutes. You guys, it's been exactly 10 minutes more. My buzzer just went off. So let's turn off this heat. We're gonna go ahead and stir it up a little bit. And now we're gonna check it. And I'm almost certain it's ready because you guys can see they're not perfect. Like, you see how some are falling apart? And let's push through it. And there you go. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna stir this around. Give it just a few minutes to sit and cool down. And then you're gonna serve it up. So I have a cantaloupe here that I am dicing up and cutting into cubes. So here is the 1 full cantaloupe. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here in the blender with some water. So I filled up the water to about right here. I'm going to be putting in 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Depending on how sweet your fruit is, depends on how much sugar you want to put. Obviously, the sugar is completely optional. If you could do with no sugar, that's actually more healthy. So I'm just gonna put it in 1/3 of a cup. Then we're going to blend this, and we're going to fill this with the remaining. We're going to blend this and then put it in here and fill the remaining with water. Okay, it's going to get a little loud. Okay, guys, so we're going to pour all of this into this pitcher. And you can see the consistency of it. It's liquidy, but it's a little bit thick at the same time. So now I'm just gonna fill the remaining with a bunch of water. And that is the whole entire container. Let me just tell you, I tasted it, and this is very sweet. Look at the rich color on that. I think on this one, I could have gone with no sugar because the fruit was so sweet. And it tastes super sweet, but super good. Okay guys, so I wanted to turn on the camera and show you what it looks like. This is the juice. And this is, so I just put some garnishment on it. This is just some turkey bacon that I had. I put a side of rice. Obviously, this is completely optional. This has been cooling for about 2 hours because I waited for my husband to get home. So I just microwaved it. But you can see that it is like, look at that. It's very creamy and it's very extremely delicious. It has that beautiful colors and it has the beautiful texture. You guys can see the pieces of pumpkin squash in there. So guys, I want you to look at the color. Isn't the color just gorgeous? I know it looks gross that some pieces are stringy like that. This tastes so delicious. And it's also gonna help you with all those cold symptoms or flu symptoms if you get them, because how much vitamin C and nutrients this actually has in it. Like, it is sweet, but smooth, creamy, and it's so filling. You can top it with whatever you want to top it. You can put goldfish on it. You can put rice in it. You can put nothing in it because it is absolutely amazing just by itself. I haven't met one person that doesn't like it. So you guys let me know. Did you like this recipe? Have you tried it? This recipe typically in a Filipino household is made with like shrimp. I've made it with chicken in there before, already cooked chicken or rotisserie chicken. I'll put it in there while it's cooking and it tastes really, really good. But you guys sound off below. Let me know, did you like this kind of video? Do you want to see more videos like it? Let me know. Let's go ahead and just jump on over to the quote of the day. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.